What's up, boys bros? For today's video, I will share to you facts or frequently asked questions about Schengen visa application here in Saudi Arabia. Sa pinakaunang video na nilabas ko, marami akong na-receive na comments, questions, and inquiries about Schengen visa application. Lahat yon sinagot ko, isa-isa. At I thought na might as well isummarize lahat ng mga tanong nyo at ilagay sa isang video para naman may share natin to sa mga kababayan natin na nangangarap or nagnais din na makatungtong ng Europe. Isa-isahin na natin ang mga questions na na-receive ko. First question, if I'm only 3 months working in Saudi Arabia, can I apply for a Schengen visa? The simple answer is no. Why? Because you need to have at least 4 months bank statement before applying. Ganyan-ganyan din ang nangyari sa akin last year. To give you a background, 12 years na ako dito sa Saudi Arabia and this is my third company. So last year, I'm only 3 months here in my new company. I had decided to apply for a Spain tourist visa. Sa Spain naman, they require at least 6 months bank statement. And the day of appointment where kailangan ko nang isubmit mga documents ko, hindi tinanggap ang aking application. Lahat ng mga documents ko hindi nila tinanggap. Dahil hindi ako nag-qualify dun sa requirement nila na at least 6 months bank statement para mag-apply. So sa France tourist visa naman, 4 months lang inahanap. So no. But after 4 months, yes, you can definitely apply for France tourist visa or Schengen visa. Pero kung mas matagal din yung tenure niyo dito sa Saudi Arabia, mas maganda. Mas mataas ang chance na makuha nyo or maaprubahan kayo ng visa na yan. Next question, how early can I apply for a Schengen visa? So, simple answer is at least 3 months before your intended trip. Bearing in mind that the documents that you will submit will still be valid at the time of your submission. Next question, do government employees like those working in Ministry of Interior and Ministry of Health need COE with Chamber of Commerce stamp? So may nagtanong sa akin yan na nurse na nagtatrabaho sa MOH, so government hospital dito sa Saudi Arabia. And actually binilikan niya ako after niya ma-approve yung application niya. Ang sabi niya, no need. Hindi na kailangan ng Chamber of Commerce stamp since they are already working at a government institution. For nurses or anyone na work in a government entities here in Saudi, hindi niya na kailangan tatak ng Chamber of Commerce. Next question, is plane ticket necessary? Yes po, necessary po ang plane ticket na may return trip. So it's either confirmed or reserved. So may mga airlines po na nagre-reserve ng flight itineraries na i-charge kayo for a small amount lang. Then kapag approved na ang visa nyo, ay pwede nyo nang ituloy ang pag-book nito. Next question, can I submit my bank statement from online and print? Or should it come from the bank and stamp? Yung bank statement kailangan manggaling mismo sa bangko kung saan kayo sumasahod, and i-request nyo lang sa counter na i-stamp nila yung first and last pages ng document na yan. In addition, request nyo yung bank statement at least 3 days before yung appointment nyo sa BFS Global para most recent yung isasubmit yung document. Next question, how many months of payslips should I submit? So like bank statements, at least 4 months payslip din ang isasubmit nyo dun sa Schengen visa application. Next question, can I go to United Kingdom using Schengen visa? Answer is no. UK has never been part of Schengen states. Therefore, you need to apply for a separate visa to enter the United Kingdom. Next question, how many months should my Iqama be valid when applying Schengen visa? Your Iqama must be valid at least 3 months after the planned date of return. Next question, do I need to specify all the Schengen countries that I will visit? So yes po, kailangan nyo pong specify lahat ng Schengen states or countries na pupuntahan nyo bukod sa France. And kailangan mag-reflect din ito sa application form na i-fill up nyo plus dun sa detailed itinerary na isasubmit nyo. Next question, is it mandatory to submit Saudi exit and re-entry visa? Yes, kailangan din po natin mag-submit ng Saudi exit and re-entry visa. Kung mapapansin nyo sa Schengen visa application form number 29, nakalagay doon yung entry permit for the final country of destination, which pertains directly to the Saudi re-entry visa. How long is the Schengen visa validity? For short stay visa, they can give you up to a maximum of 90 days within 180 days period. Sa case ko, ang in-apply ko is for 8 days duration. However, ang binigay sa akin is 30 days multiple entry visa for a validity of 90 days. And the top frequently asked questions na na-receive ko for Schengen visa application: how much should be your bank account balance when applying for Schengen visa? So, it really depends on your length of stay sa Schengen states na pupuntahan mo. So, in my case, I personally maintain at least 10,000 real on my bank account for the span of 4 months. So, hindi ko yun ginalaw. And yung 10K na yon is for 8 days duration sa France. Of course, kung mas matagal lang length of stay mo dun sa Schengen countries, mas malaki ang kailangan mong ilagay dun sa bank account mo. So, yun na ang frequently asked questions na na-receive ko about Schengen visa application here in Saudi Arabia. And guys, if you think you still have questions, inquiries, topic suggestions, or probably message of support, lagay nyo lang yan sa comment section. And rest assured, binabasa ko yan isa-isa at nakakataba ng puso na nag-i-interact kayo dito sa aking mga videos. Also, guys, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and like this video, and it will really motivate me to create this kind of videos, informative ones for our fellow travelers na nangangarap malibot ang mundo. And okay, yun lang guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood at ingat kayo. Bye bye.